so here's how you create your poster in Canva. So you've logged into canva.com using your Google account. You're going to hit the search bar and make sure you're under templates, not projects, but in templates, you're going to type in poster. And you can even go deeper. So you can type in ocean or bees, and you get all of these lovely options. Okay? You can click on whichever one you like, and then you're going to click customize. First thing you need to do, you're going to click on magic switch and resize. It might not appear as this. You might have to hit custom size. And when you do hit custom size, it's 8.5 by 11 inches. That's important to note, inches. Okay, so let's go ahead and make some edits. Resize the design. So there's so many amazing things you can do. Number one, you can click on it and you can change it to say whatever you like. So coral reef. Then, let's say you don't like this font. Simply grab this pull down and you can change the size of the font. This font is a little bit close together, so you can change the spacing of the line. Now it's in the wrong spot, so we can move it. We can move that, okay? So we can change the font. You can change the font here. You can change the font size here. You can change the font color here. There's even a color picker. There's an option in the font color to choose colors from the photo inspiration. Okay, so then you can, let's say you don't need this text, you don't need this, you can delete these little elements out of here. Delete, delete, delete. Maybe push this to the bottom, delete. Move this here, delete this. Okay, let's say you want to change the background. You want it to have something different. You can type in under elements, type in what you want a picture of, and then you can add a picture there. Okay, you can get rid of the old picture, add the new picture, get bigger. Okay, and then within the picture, if you want to make some edits there, you can change the transparency of the picture. You can flip it so it faces the other way. If you want that, you can hit edit photo and change that. You also don't have to include a photo. You can choose these elements and add elements instead and move those around. So you're responsible for making a title, and then you have to write your name. So Mrs. Waller. And then you want to make sure your name is nice and small on the bottom. So you go ahead and change the size here. And then you have to add your fact. So you can type in your fact here, or you can hit text, add a heading, and then add your fact there. Once you're done, you're going to save your work by titling it with your name right here. Okay. Then you're going to hit share, download, and we want to download it as a PDF. And then you're going to click download. That'll be downloaded on your computer. Okay. And that's that.